Well, I just thought I'd give a little update here because had quite a bit of anxiety about this after getting chastised a little bit for reusing the bearings and installing them on the new spindle in this machine. So I'm in the process of repainting the bed. You can see the masking tape still on there, machine still in pieces. But my new 5C collet set arrived, so I was concerned there might be a little bit of whip. I wanted to check the run out with the part installed, so I went ahead, put in a 1/2 inch 5C collet, just grabbed a piece of material that I had in the toolbox, and put on my Mitutoyo. This is a 1/10 of a thou indicator, and you can see the results here. Let me rotate it around. So everything feels really smooth, and you can see there's absolutely no movement at all on that indicator at about 1 inch out, and I'm getting the same thing when I sweep the part both ways. No movement on the indicator, and to show you that it's touching here, there and up. So incredibly happy with this, hoping it holds up, but it's smooth and I don't think it's going to be any different under power, so very happy. Just thought I'd update you guys.